Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today in our recipe, we are going to make Adai. This Adai is my own version and I'm serving it with fish curry. So those who haven't eaten the fish curry, the South Indian fish curry, please refer to my other video on fish curry, and it's a vegetarian version. You may also make it with real fish. And also this is a no fermentation dosa, which is easy to be made, or in English it's called crepe. So I encourage you to try this crepe. So without further delay, let's get into the kitchen. But before I get into the kitchen, I welcome all those who are new to this channel, and I would like you to subscribe, click the bell icon, and like this video at the end. If you like it, yeah, please go ahead. If you don't, it's okay. So I would like you to try this in this season of Lent and let me know. This is a very nutritious dish that everyone who watches it should try. Let's get into the kitchen now. These are the ingredients that needs to be done for the Adai, mixed grain Adai, or it is called another version of healthy option Crepe. Crepes actually. So these are the 6 ingredients that I'm using for today. You can use any kind of beans or anything, also like any kind of grains. So I am using here 1/4 cup of rice, any types of rice, and I'm using 1/4 cup of lentil, 1/4 cup of green beans, and I'm also using 1/4 cup of chana dal or besan or chickpea, and I'm also using 1/4 cup of urad dal, and I'm also using a 1/4 cup of tur dal. So I will list the ingredients in the description box, and you can see this is only the first part, and the first part is to mix all of them together and also to wash it and soak it. Add them all together. And I'll be back after me washing them. This mixed beans and rice has been washed and soaked. Now we are going to leave it to soak it for at least about 8 hours. So after 8 hours we will come back and to continue the process. Our dal has been soaked over 8 hours, and we have 4 dried chilies which I have soaked it, and I also have some salt, and I have 1/2 cup of onion and 1/2 large onion roughly chopped, and 1/2 cup of grated coconut. And I have some flattened rice, thin flattened rice, and I've also soaked 30 minutes before I'm displaying you this. So it is now time to grind everything. So the first thing we are going to grind is these 5 items. We'll grind this first, then after that we'll grind the dal. Time to add the onions. Add the coconut. And also the cooked rice. I have cooked rice over here. We also add that. And I will add the dried chilies. And I will also add the water from the dried chilies as well. And also I will add the poha, or the flattened poha. I will just add everything and we'll grind it together. So this to be grounded, and I will show you once it's been grounded. Dear viewers, the first part is already been grounded. So now we have to grind the rest of the batter. And this to be grounded. Our first batch is grounded, and we'll mix it up together with this, and I will grind everything, and then I'll show what next to do. The batter is being grounded, and now we are going to add some salt. Some of them usually add salt while they are grinding, but I usually prefer to add the salt after I grind. So half a teaspoon of salt. You can add a little bit more or less according to your taste, and also some generous amount of hing, asafoetida. And that's it. Give it a quick mix. And the dosa batter or the crepe batter is ready. We have done our batter. Now it's time to cook. Now it's time to make the crepe. So we will pour the sesame oil. I have a bowl of sesame oil, just a little bit on the pan, and we will wipe it off. Grease the pan, and followed by one scoop of the batter. And on top of that, we'll just add a little bit of oil. And let it cook for a few minutes. As you can see, the dosa can be lifted up, and it's time just to flip it off and let it cook on the other side. It's time to be flipped back, and our dosa is ready, and all we need to do is just fold it into half and remove them and transfer them on a plate. We'll try another one. For when you make dosa, the indication whether the dosa is cooked or not, if you see on the sides, if it lifted, that it's a sign that you can flip the dosa. You see, as I have removed and flipped it over. And let it cook for a few minutes. This is the plain version that I have made, and the next we are going to make the masala version. It's time to flip. And now, dear viewers, it's time to add the masala. You can add more or less, it's up to you. And with that, a little bit of sesame oil. And it's time to flip the dosa. And it's ready to be lifted. This is how you make a masala dosa. And to see the masala, how to be made, please refer to my other videos that I've shown how to make the masala dosa, the masala for the filling of the dosa. And here, dear viewers, our final product is ready. This dosa can be eaten with any curries, it doesn't matter. Today I'm serving with the fish curry, which I recently made, also for the video as well. So we are going to in my home, my family is going to eat with the fish curry. So if you are close by, I would have invited you over. So this is what it is being served and which is going to be eaten. So the mixed grain dosa of masala dosa, and also we have the plain dosa, and you have seen how to make the dosa, and I would like you to try in your home and let me know. It is very simple. Soak the grains of equal amount and also with the additional ingredients, and then grind it together, no fermentation required, and right away the dosa can be made. So thank you for tuning on for Friday Friendly Kitchen. Those who are new, thank you very much and welcome aboard. And those who have been with me, thank you very much. For Christians who are celebrating or observing the season of Lent, I encourage you to make this. As season of Lent, we observe a lot of fasting, and also there will be a lot of loss of nutrition in the body. And so all this will retain some nutrition in the body while we are eating this. So I hope you try in your home on a Friday, or even not on a Friday, any day of the season of Lent, and do leave your comment below. Thank you very much, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, and those who are new, don't forget to subscribe and follow me along. And do not forget to click the bell icon. Thank you very much. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.